And we are launching digital television in the Nadi-Lautoka Corridor in the second week of December. So please take advantage of that. What digital television basically means is that the quality of the television picture will improve significantly, the sound will improve significantly. It also means you'll get 5 free-to-air channels. So that's already been done in Suva, in the Suva Story Corridor. All you need is a box. And we are giving out those boxes at a subsidized cost. Those people earn to the particular income level, we actually get it for free. That's being provided by government. So we want you to do the trial. So if you have a television set, and if you have a household income of less than $30,000 a year, we will be advertising very soon. It's a way you can collect these boxes from. All you have to do is simply connect it to your existing television, and you'll be able to pick up 5 channels. And in this way, we are extending the number of services and the number of channels you'll be able to see, so you don't have to be able to go off and buy all sorts of other provisions for your television set. Please participate in it. We will also give you an opportunity to provide the feedback. There's a number of other exciting things that's happening in the ITC sector that we are implementing. So in particular for the young people, if you're interested in that, please take that up. We are creating a lot of opportunities economically, as I've said to the principal. We are doing really well. We need all of you to be able to participate in it and give you feedback so we are able to do a lot more better things. We can make better roads, better schools, better health centers, better hospitals, and of course, most importantly, create a lot more job opportunities for young people. So please watch out for the digital television that we launched the second week of December. We're trialing it. We're spending about $16 million in this particular project. What actually happened is everybody in Fiji, whether you live in Lao or the Sawas, everywhere else, they'll be able to pick up this quality television and be able to get better services and access to agricultural programs, educational programs, and of course, entertainment. So thank you very much.